Hello, and welcome to our new content delivery system. This video is meant to help you navigate this new platform to update your user information, view your listings, download content, and access your orders. Let's begin. First, we will navigate to the settings, then user details. Here you can update your user information, change your group details, and reset your password. Next, let's navigate into our listings. Here we have all of the properties that our photographer has sent to us. Let's open it up. And here we will see the property details, where you can add info like price, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, and several other customizable features. Now, let's open the images, where we can view and rearrange these awesome photos. To rearrange, simply click, drag, and drop. To change the hero image, simply move your favorite photo to the first position and save changes. This photo will now display as the main hero image. Next, let's view and edit our property websites. Here, you can rearrange the property site by clicking, dragging, and dropping each component. Inside each section, you can edit some advanced settings to personalize your property site. Next, you can change the property theme to one of our amazing pre-designed themes. Simply choose one, click Save, and your property website will update. Now, let's download the real estate media. You can do this by clicking the Download button in the top right-hand corner and choosing which media you'd like from the pop-up. Or you can visit the Download Center, which allows you to download either high-resolution images, which are print quality, or web quality images, which are sized for the MLS. Next, we will go into our Orders page, which houses all of your past and current orders. Within the order, you can view your payment and product summary, access and pay your invoice, or access the listing associated with the order. Finally, let's look at the Lead Center. This displays information collected from your property site contact form, so you can see anybody who is trying to contact you about the property. We hope you love our new content delivery system as much as we do. Feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions.